Okay, guys, continue with the tutorial for crawling the data from Twitter. After we create an apps in Twitter, and then we got a consumer key, a consumer secret, and access token, and then access token secret. All of the variable has to copy here from the Twitter apps, and then just copy here and copy the consumer secret here, copy the access token here, exactly the same, and then copy access token secret here. And this line is actually the line to connect this application, this program, this R script with the Twitter. And then after we connect to the Twitter, and then we can search the tweet, the content of the tweeters. Here, for example, I would like to search the topic about Corona. This is the number of lines, the number of tweets that we are going to crawl. And then this is the language ID. If you don't, ID means Indonesia. If you do not want to specify certain language, then just leave it without these parameters. And this line is a command to convert the tweet list into data frames, and this line is a comment to source the header of the data frame and the first data in our data frames. And this line is actually some example of data cleaning, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 line is command to solve the frequency of the Twitter that we got. Okay, now you can try to run. You can run the line by line, or you can run all of the some lines together at the same time. Okay. This is the connection. Okay, using direct connections. And okay, searching for the tweets. Yeah, it took some seconds for collecting 300 tweets about Corona in Indonesian language, and then shows the result. Okay, okay, this is the result. Yeah. Text and many column of the data set that we got. Now shows the frequency of the tweets that we got. Okay, so you can see Out of 300, 199 comes from Android, Twitter in Android, 56 from iPhone, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's done, and thank you for watching.